how to calibrate your display in Windows 11. This tutorial walks you through every step of the built-in color calibration tool. Before you start, make sure your monitor has been on for at least 30 minutes, so it has time to warm up to its normal brightness and color state. First, press the Windows key, type Calibrate Display Color, and press Enter to launch the tool. From there, if you have multiple monitors, drag the calibration window to the screen you want to adjust and click Next. After that, the tool will walk you through each adjustment one by one, starting with gamma. At this point, you'll see examples of good, too low, and too high gamma on screen. Use the slider on the left side of the screen to adjust until the small dots in the center of the pattern are as invisible as possible. Following this, click Next and you'll move on to brightness. From here, use your monitor's physical buttons to adjust, or the built-in slider if you're on a laptop. The goal is to make the shirt and suit visible in the sample image, while the X in the background should be barely visible. After that, click Next to move on to contrast. Again, using your monitor's buttons, adjust until you can clearly see the wrinkles and buttons on the shirt without the background appearing too bright or washed out. From there, click Next to reach the color balance section. At this point, use the red, green, and blue sliders at the bottom of the window to adjust the gray bars until they look as neutral as possible, with no visible color tint. Finally, click Next and you'll be given the option to compare your current calibration with the previous one. If you're happy with how it looks, click Finish and your new calibration will be applied. That's how you calibrate your display in Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.